Take a moment to check out the 2023 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, rear spoiler. Kick your worries to the curb. This Honda HR-V is all about making your life easy and comfortable. Take it out for a drive today.